Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self. And we have some geese taking off here. Sorry. Anyway, so today's topic is all about dealing with stress. And today, of all times, dealing with uncertainty, fear of uncertainty, that's the big topic today. Everybody doesn't realize it, but you know what? Guess what? Fear is here, and most people are fearful right now, and you can see it. You can see how people are responding by staying away from you and not even making eye contact and so on. But guess what? Fear has been here for a long time, and most people live in fear. There's enough research and stats on it that shows that people are living in fear. So I'll give you an example, and it's not just people without money. People who don't have a lot of money are chasing money, and they're fearing not being able to live. They fear their survival. That's what people who don't have a lot of money fear. But then people who have a lot of money also fear bankruptcy. I work with these people. They fear having all their money taken away from them, all their comforts taken away. It's literally no different. It's just that there's more to lose. They have all these things set up and all these, comforts, their home and, sauna and all these kinds of things. They have all these luxuries and they're just not willing to let them go. But they're still fearful. So 5 emotions in our mind, one of them is fear, and that's what most people are living on. So if you were to move towards the other end of the spectrum, which is faith, how would you do that? Because stress isn't going to do it. Stress is just fear internalized. Stress is just us making up things about our future because it's uncertain. Well, guess what? You can make your future anything you want. You can create your own circumstances. You get to choose. You might be saying, well, that's a bunch of BS. You can't make your own future. Well, you absolutely can. You design it, you decide what you like. The life you're living right now was created in your mind, and you believed it, and you are accepting it now. There's nothing new about that. So instead of letting fear, which is controlling most everybody, control you, you have to get into your future thinking. You have to think about your future, think about what you want, think about what makes you feel good every day. You have to be consistent about it. You have to have a PhD, pig-headed discipline, and determination to move ahead and move through this fear. Fear is like the fog you're seeing this morning. It's invisible and it's intangible, and you're trying to organize it, and it's pretty scary at times. I can totally attest to that. But you have more control than you think you do, and you can take control just by focusing on what you want, not thinking about the uncertainty of things going wrong, because that is going to take you down, and that's not going to help you at all. So think about it a little bit. Think about what I'm saying here, and know that you're not alone. Everybody is in the same boat as you and I, except you and I know better, because we just talked about this. Now you know what fear is, you know what you can do, and you can start designing your life and focusing on what you want, and let the stress go. Don't stress about things that aren't real, and let the small things go. Please don't even focus your attention on that. All right, so remember to help eliminate and eradicate mental blindness disease by thinking differently and doing different things today. And if you're not watching on my YouTube channel, I have more videos that will help you become your better self. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.